Well, hello and welcome, or welcome back if you have been following along with me in our little holiday challenge. So before we go any further, let's find out what piece we're going to be learning today. So for the 19th of December, let's find out. Oh, we're going to be learning Silent Night. So this is a sweet little piece, especially for those of you who are just new to piano. So before we go any further, I would like to introduce myself. I am Monta Monique, founder and creator of MoveOverMozart, the only place where you can learn music how you want, where you want, and when you want. Now, I did say that this is a little bit of a challenge, and it is, but it's also a little gift to you, and it's my way of saying happy holidays from my family over at MoveOverMozart to your family. So, like I said, for the first 25 days, we are going to be learning a new piece, but don't worry, there's a piece for you if you are new to piano, say you are a beginner, or let's say you're a beginner with a little bit of experience. There is a piece for everyone. Now, there is a free download, so be sure to download your music right now so you can follow along and play with me. Now, some of the pieces we're going to be learning in this challenge might be familiar to you, and some of them maybe not so familiar, but that's okay. And if there is a piece that you really want to learn, there are lessons, and I want to share with you quickly how we learn each of our pieces. So, we first learn our right hand, and then we learn our left hand, and then we put our hands together. Now, at any point, if you have a comment or a question or just something you want to share with me about your musical journey, please leave that in the comment section below. Now, because we are learning 25 pieces in 25 days, I strongly suggest that you hit the notification bell, because I promise you, you won't want to miss a lesson. Also subscribe, because there are wonderful music tips and tricks just for you. Now, you can also find me over on Instagram at #MoveOverMozart. So if you're ready to start making some beautiful holiday music, well, let's begin.